Hi, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to be giving a quick introduction to GitHub. I'm going to talk a little bit about what it is, how it works, and some of the benefits that come with it. So firstly, and most importantly, let's give a quick introduction to the motives behind GitHub. So GitHub is, at its core, something that allows you to store your repositories on shared servers, on GitHub's shared servers. So it allows you to turn your local repositories into a remote repository. Now, obviously, anyone can create something like that, but what really sets GitHub apart is it gives you all of these opportunities and benefits and tools to interact with your repository in a user-friendly way. It's public. GitHub is a public platform, which allows millions of users to share their projects to the world and interact with them in a user-friendly manner. So that's what GitHub is at its core. So why use GitHub? So I have a little picture here from GitHub saying social coding. This is almost like their motto. This is what they follow. You can see that the GitHub is built around collaboration in development. So that's the main purpose of GitHub, is to allow people to collaborate together to build projects. But it's not just for collaboration. On top of that, GitHub is used or can be used as a portfolio for your best work. When you're trying to get a developer job, you can supply your resume, but along with your resume, they're probably going to ask you for some sort of portfolio of your best work. All you have to do is send them your GitHub account link, and they can view all of your commits, your contributions, your projects. It's that easy. So this is what makes GitHub so powerful and so versatile, is you can use it for almost anything in this sense, in the developer sense. You can use it as a portfolio for your best work, or you can use it as a company, as sort of team manager to allow people to collaborate together. But on top of that, and one of the most useful features of GitHub is being able to access your repository from any location. So think of it this way. On your local machine, you can only access it from that machine. And let's just say you wanted to maybe transfer it to your laptop or use it on your laptop because you're going away on a business trip. So what you would have to do is get a USB, you'd have to transfer all the files, you'd have to put it on your laptop, and then all of the changes that you made, you'd have to put it back on the USB and back on the device that you were originally making it on to update it and sync it together. You can see how tedious that process gets. It's tiring just for me to say. With GitHub, you can interact with one repository back and forth from any device, and it updates centrally. So for example, let's just say I wanted to make some changes to my repository while I was on a trip from my laptop. All I could do is pull it from the repository on GitHub, make my changes, push it back, and then there you go. That's all you have to do. When I get back, all I have to do is update it by pulling the new information, and that's it. No USBs, no transfers, syncing, all of that is disappeared with the use of remote repositories. So the final reason is because it's an industry standard for hosting Git repositories. Now, there are other smaller sites out there that can do this, but because GitHub is used by almost every developer company in the world, it's become an industry standard. And that's why it's very useful to know GitHub and how to use it, because without it, it's a little bit hard to collaborate on teams. And not just that, it gets very hard to manage your repository. So GitHub is what brings Git together and makes it such a powerful tool. It just builds on it and makes it even better than it already is. All right, let's get started.